Hi, Godspeed. In this channel, I want to say only one thing, that we can go to the stars, because the stars are closer than you think. Are closer than you think. What you have been told, it is wrong, scientifically wrong. So we can go to the stars. But in this video, I want to comment one of the Webb pictures. In this picture, you can see what they call gravitational lensing. Einstein did not curve space. There is not from Einstein gravitational lensing. Exists not this. So you cannot find in an Einstein paper that gravity curves light. He puts in brackets, so-called gravitational lensing. But if Einstein did curve space, it was wrong. Okay, Einstein, if it curved space through gravity, it was wrong. Einstein was wrong if it curved space. So what do you see in this picture? You must understand that are not gravitational lensing. You must remember this. They are not gravitational lensing. What you are seeing in this picture, there's clouds of water, dark water. I caught some video from YouTube from some divers, deep divers at night.
The line? You want to follow the line down?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go find it. There you go.
There you go.
That you must understand, these divers at night have some lights, and you see the lights at the surface of the water. The light one does not have power to illuminate only a near vicinity, exactly like in a normal way a lantern will do. But the water is hungry for light, so it does not have power to reveal the entire ocean, only in the near vicinity. The same the stars from Webb. You understand that there are clouds of liquid matter surrounding our galaxy. Our galaxy is a sphere. So what you are seeing? They are simply stars, but you must understand. But the stars are cold and not what you are believing. So that gravitational lensing are not gravitational lensing. They're in a simple way lights that travel at the surface of the waters that surround our galaxy. You must remember this. Hydrogen becomes a liquid. It is not a gas at a space temperature. So now I will put for you from NASA Spectre for the same picture. It shows hydrogen at minus 253 degrees Celsius. I'm from Europe. Celsius becomes a liquid. Helium becomes liquid. So what you are seeing, there are clouds of liquid hydrogen and oxygen mainly. They are written in the pictures. From if you point if you point the sensors at a black space, there is hydrogen and oxygen mainly. What you are seeing black, there is in a way water, and the stars are put in matter. That's the board of our galaxy. If you do not believe me, let me tell you this that I always show to you. I always show to you this because it is a simple demonstration. Light decreases with the distance, you see, and you will make a point. So I cut some passages from NASA. They are saying that they filmed Earth from 57,000 miles, and you'll see the Earth like this.
Orion looking back at Earth as it travels toward the moon 57,000 miles away from the place we call home.
The distance to Earth moon is 240,000 miles, or in kilometers 340,000 kilometers. 340,000 kilometers in kilometers. The distance Earth moon. And you see when the Earth is from this mission Artemis, now Orion, that it is there now at this hour. You see the Earth like this, like a coin. From 300 kilometers, 1,000 kilometers, 1 second with the speed of light, and you'll see the Earth like this. You understand that we cannot see only 1 day with the speed of light. This is science, and I always show to you. Bigger from close, smaller from the distance. So what you are seeing in this picture are stars inside our galaxy. Our galaxy is a sphere. And everything that you are seeing are stars, cold stars, submerged in the clouds of liquid hydrogen and oxygen mainly. %, that's hydrogen and oxygen, clouds of matter, and the stars are cold and submerged there. There is an electrical circuit that surrounds our galaxy, and they are alimentated from there, and they extract energy from there. So the stars are not what you are believing at this hour. You will understand that you will say that gases gather in space, and you say that mainly is hydrogen, but hydrogen gas becomes liquid at minus 253 degrees Celsius. So what gas is? If it is a liquid at perfect minus temperature is 273 degrees. You understand they did not knew, and they invented that the gas born to produce light. But we now can produce light without fire, and they did not understood. So Laplace invented this, and you stay with this stupidity that gases congeal. Gravitational gravity is not attraction. So it was interpreting the second way wrong. The Newton force equal mass time acceleration. It's not attraction. This is put in circular and rectilinear cases, but it is not attraction. So if you want to congeal the gases only chemically, you can to produce stars. So in this way they remain tricked that they are big stars. But I'm telling you, if you see the distances smaller than the galaxies themselves, you will understand that gravity is not attraction. All of these objects will attract. You are interpreting wrong gravity. You put to gravity blending. You put everything to falsify. But what's the point? Why the humanity should not find this? I say that we can go to the stars because you are tricked. That galaxies are pieces of metal that are put in clouds of hydrogen, liquid hydrogen and oxygen. Our galaxy is a sphere, we cannot see the universe. Nowhere in the Bible says about universe because we cannot see it. We can only see one day with the speed of light. That's why the Bible says that the stars are produced in one day. With the speed of light, this is the distance, 26 billion kilometers. "26 billion kilometers are the age of our visible galaxy. If you see from the moon like this, the earth like a coin, only 300,000 kilometers a second with the speed of light, and the earth is like a coin. Why do you not understand that the stars are close? You must understand we can go to the stars 26 billion kilometers. And it is the age of our galaxy. You invented that the galaxy, it was known to be spherical from ancient times. You falsify in these modern days everything. And all the science, and you interpret wrong the Einstein. I put to you these divers at night. These divers at night demonstrate in a way how light. You see these gravitational bendings, they are not bend gravitation. I bend the surface and the light curves of any surface. You see? So if you see these galaxies close one need one to another, you must understand that if you believe that the gravity is attraction, all these objects should attract, but they do not, because gravity is not attraction. It is force equal mass time acceleration, and you do not understand that it is a field because it is increasing and decreasing with the distance. The strength of the force that it is hitting to charge the object with mass to maintain it at the same orbit decreases and increases with distance. And this is gravity, and this does not bend lights, does not do anything, you understand? So what you are seeing in the picture, they are simply I put to you these divers to understand, like child to understand. This I put to you to understand, everybody to understand, even a child. You see, I curve this surface, the light travels to curved surface. So it is a proof that there's a surface there. There is a surface made from ordinary matter, not black, not dark matter that does not exist. Ordinary matter. What you will gain by lying this humanity still? with lives in 1800 from that Doppler dude that falsified that if you make an object, the distance makes red color. What you obtain made in 850? What do you obtain? What do you not understand? What do you maintain that our galaxies aspire? What to do this? Why? For humanity benefit, do you are lying like this? You falsify it. Why Einstein said you falsify everything. Light was not curved by Einstein, but you fools bending light. But that you not discover that there has not gravitational lensing. Light travels to a surface, like in the surface of the water. That's why I put to you these divers at night. And you are seeing that the stars are cloudy. You cannot see directly because the stars, they are not suspending in void. There's only void in our solar system. Then there is a field, electrical field, that it circulates to surrounds our galaxy like this electrical circuit, and there is dark clouds of matter, hydrogen mainly, I told you, and it is a circuit through it, and the stars are static, and what you call galaxies are simply stars made not from gases that the gases burn like in the old times, made from always, and they're in a metallic always, always. They are metallically, and they have two metals like an alloy, and they are submerged in dark clouds of matter, mainly hydrogen. Believe me or not, it is true what I'm saying, and I'm telling you on this channel, we can go to the stars. Sooner the earth you will understand this, the better it will be for the entire humanity. You'll maintain this, that the galaxies billion trillion kilometers falsifying the laws of light, falsifying the laws of physics, of gravity, falsifying everything. What should this child of this generation learn? Your lies? Why? And I'm telling you, we can go to the stars. I'm sorry, but you were wrong, and you must admit this, and to be big boys, to understand, and do not lie to humanity. We can gain something, we can colonize the planets, we can go there now. But if you say that are billion trillion kilometers, you cannot see, put in a mirror trillion kilometers, you falsify science. But you are working there, and you write on every picture black holes, dark matter, dark energy, nothing that these kinds of objects exist. Only in your heads, stupid heads. Einstein did not bend in light. That's the border of our galaxy. 26 billion kilometers. I'm telling you, what you will gain from this? What do humanity will gain? Nothing. Nothing. And I'm telling you, let's go and colonize these planets. There are 250 planets and satellites. And a million of asteroids in this solar system. It is only here void. And we can colonize this. And our border of our galaxy is surrounded by matter. And that is spherical from ancient times. Goodbye, this is my channel. I'm telling you, do not lie. This is my vlog. Do not falsify science. I know science. For this is all that Newton discovered. This is the all that Newton discovered. Force equal mass time acceleration. And this is compounding of the vectors. And you put this in the circular case, a rectilinear case. You see, and these are area. Like with these vectors. This, everything that Newton discovered. So this is a coffee science. This is my vlog. I want to tell you that we can go to the stars. We can reach the stars. Stop lying. Stars are made from metals.